Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Arielle. Today is basically the last weekend, I would say, of August. So we're gonna do the monthly recap basically. So what happened this month, what I wore this month, what did I do besides wearing scrub. Yes, besides wearing scrub, because I think I mostly wear scrub, but the day that I'm not wearing a scrub, what am I wearing? And also my closet is a mess, like it's a disaster, and we need to pack. Like I'm gonna pack. I have a lot of stuff on the floor. It's a disaster, it's a mess. It look like a hurricane have just passed through my closet basically. So I am gonna clean it up and rearrange it, and I have a box of vacation wear. Yes, your girl is taking a break. I'm taking time off basically, and I'm really excited. I just finished my contract. Yes, 13 weeks has gone by, and I'm taking a break. And after that, we can figure out what we're doing next, what we're not doing. But let's get back on track. I think I'm too excited. I'm getting off. So let's get this closet pack first, and we take it from there. Let me show you what it look like. Unfortunately, yes, reality versus social media. So let me show you the reality quick. So you can tell it is a mess, it is a disaster. Like I have clothes on the floor, box is there, I have a suitcase that I have to pack for my vacation. Like pretty much everything is out of order in this place. So I'm finally done. I think it took me about an hour to clean the mess in here. So it's all cleaned up, and now let me show you guys what it look like. As for right now, that's what we look like. That box right here is let me say try on haul box. So that will be my next one, because I have a lot of vacation stuff in there that I need to unbox. But yeah, I did clean it up, and we're back to square one, I guess. I don't know how long that is gonna last though, because as soon as do one more video, like a try on haul or a tutorial, everything goes back to crap. Yeah. We're gonna do a quick recap, August recap, and we're gonna go through what I wore, our hair, clothes, all of that together. But I thought this month was not as bright as the previous ones, because I spent most of August in scrub, and I'm not here to display my scrubs whatsoever. So it's not about scrubs. So I'm gonna show you guys what I wear outside of scrub, basically, like outside of hospital, what I was wearing. And what has happened. We're gonna go backward. So I'm gonna go backward. I'm gonna start displaying the outfit from the most recent to the least recent. So we're gonna go backward towards the beginning of August. So as of today, I'm wearing this orange outfit. It's pretty light casual. You can see that it has like a few straps on the back. It is open. It is for hot weather. The material is quiet, like how will I put it? Light. Yes. So the weather is hot. Perfect outfit. Perfect color. Pretty bright. I love it. Both this dress and the sandal are from SHEIN. I pick it because of like a vacation vibe. Like it is pretty, and you can see this type of sandal has been the headlight this summer, pretty much. That particular flat, or this particular sandal, is from SHEIN, and I love it pretty well. Like it turned out really cute. And the particular wallet is actually a YSL wallet. I think I got it from Saks Fit. Okay, so for this particular outfit, here we have a nice red blazer. That blazer is from Misguided. It's a military style. I love it for that. I'm all about military. Bring me a military style blazer and forget the price tag. Like I just go zoom. Like they are my favorite. So military blazer style, red from Pretty Little Thing. The white tank is from Walmart. Yes, Walmart fashion. You heard it right, Walmart. So the tank is from Walmart. The pant, H&M. What else we got? The belt is off-white, of course. I got it on sale. I remember, I think back in June or so, either June or May. But that was from Farfetch for sure. What else can I tell you guys? Socks, SHEIN, yes. Then the shoe is a Louboutin shank one, yes. The hat was from H&M as well, that I recall. So, I don't know what my problem was with red, but this is another red set, top and pant basically. The set is from SHEIN. I tried to pick it for my vacation, so you're gonna be seeing that again because I'm definitely gonna pack that with me. That's how much I love it. And the shoe is Malone Soleil. Okay, so here comes another SHEIN set. So basically the back short set, I should say, or your casual set. But anyhow, that is from SHEIN, basically. Take it for vacation as well. So it was me trying it before I actually take it with me. So the oversized shirt, that particular one is from H&M. Yes, that I recall. Pink sauce from SHEIN. That sneaker, it is a SHEIN sneaker. I fell in love with it at first sight and I couldn't let it go. Okay, next we going blue. Okay, so blue blazer from Zara is the tweed blazer, so it's pretty thick, very comfortable. The crop top is the old one, is from Fashion Nova. It was a set that I got. It came with a cargo pant on its own, which is black, but what I chose not to use it this time. So this particular cargo pant is from Forever 21, top Fashion Nova, South SHEIN. That sneaker, if I say I know what brand it was, I'll be lying. It was a gift, and I have no clue what brand it is, but I love it. It was like it was high sole sneaker, very comfortable. Leave it like that. What else we got? Bag, Jacquemus. And I'm actually looking forward to get another bag from them because like the bag are unique and I love them. Okay, here comes the next outfit. So oversized shirt from Misguided. That particular pant I got it from SHEIN, tall. Then sneaker is Giuseppe Zanotti. The crop top is Zara in white. And the hat, we talked about that earlier. That particular hat is from Forever 21. And that is it pretty much for outfit. I didn't go out too much and what minus the scrubs, that's what we got. Now let's talk about hair, I should say. So I think I got quite a few hair this month. I got, but not too long. I think they were all short. So I have this particular one that was from Amazon. Less than 50 bucks. I don't know exactly how much it was, but I recall it was in the 40-ish when I got it. This particular one, it was a hair sponsor that they sent me to try, and I really love it actually. It was a nice hair. That was my first time working with them, and I said that in my previous video as well. But it is a pretty nice hair. I loved it. It was not too long and it was not shedding. And that was a 20-inch length basically. Okay, my golden orange hair. That hair, it is a hair that I walk in the store to get it actually. It is not a human hair. It is synthetic looking at it, but the color was like so attractive for me. I couldn't let it go. I bought it actually before I went to England back in May. So probably I got that hair back in April. That's when I bought it, but I didn't get a chance to actually install it or do anything with it till last month. That was the first time that I tried about, and I did it again this month. Okay, so this will be the last hair of the month, because we're on the 28th already, so I'm not gonna have time to go through another one of this for sure. But This particular one is from AliExpress, and this is the one that I fell in love with lately. I wanted something different, like a new color, something that I wanted to try, and it actually turned nice. So I regret not recording the whole video on how I install it and style it and all of that, but it is what it is. Okay, loves, thank you very much for stopping by. August is ending, and this is where I'm gonna end my vlog for this month. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscription button for me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Be ready to watch the vacation packing of mine and coming up next week. Thank you. Bye bye.